Hello everyone, good morning, good morning. What a weird day. Really weird day today. Most of the gap up stocks were selling off, and most of the gap down stock was squeezing. So this one is a gap up stock actually, plug. And then look what happened. Don't laugh at me. Boom. It was a gap up stock. Previous day close was here. It was hovering around 1225. That's why I have my green line in there. I really thought it was gonna continue and squeeze up. I was long bias at this one, but it made like a 1 minute orb from this candle, and I said, and then there's volume. The volume was like not much, 600,000, but I thought it's really going to continue to hold this 12 and go up. But the thing is, it didn't. So it broke 12. I shorted it, and I realized the stock was an SSR, and all out of FOMO, I just took it with the SSR short, and I was really scared. I thought it's going to squeeze. I thought it's going to squeeze. So I was ready to get out, or I have a stop here at 1217, like high of day. And then I said, oh, actually it's doing a 5 minute orb down, and then I really wanted to get in, but the thing is, I'm scared because it might squeeze, because it's a gap up stock. It's really holding $12. It could go up the VWAP and then squeezes all the way to 25, and then to this level 29, high of pre-market. Yeah, kind of like a high pre-market. And yeah, and then I'm glad it worked. And then I was taking profit too early because it was a gap up stock. It's just crazy, and I didn't end up holding most of my shares because I thought this is previous day close, it's gonna hold. So many things, and it's Friday. I don't want to end up red. And look what happened. It happens sometimes, but imagine if this was imagine if this stock wasn't SSR. That's why I was really hoping that it's gonna bounce, because it's really hard to get on this stock, and then I don't really see a selling pressure in this one. So that's why I got out really early. But I kind of like reached my goal. It's not really bad, but I could have made more if I maybe held at least 20% of my shares in here. It moved about $1.61 for the whole time, for the whole thing. So it's just could have made a lot more money, but who knows that this is going to happen, right? Even when we look at a daily candle, it's just really crazy, but it's kind of doing the same move. But yeah, so I don't know. But yeah, let's look at the other stocks that I have that did not trade. I have NIO in my list. NIO is the best. Like, I have this thick line in here. I said it's gonna go here. It's gonna break this 1850. I have this thick lines where I should be looking at the numbers if I'm long or short. But the thing is, it was strong at the open. It had about 2.6 million. I didn't chase it because it was a gap down stock. That's why I didn't chase it. Good thing I did not chase it. If not, look what's gonna happen. It dumped all the way from 1850, and look at that. I should have shorted it here in my thick line. So 1850, it's a round number. The $19 is a round number. 1850 is where I would want to short it. Like, if this goes down 1850, that's where I wanted to short it. That was the plan. Short it, take profit here at $18 maybe, and look what happened. It moved about $3.57. Reach the daily levels. Oh man, that's crazy. And CCL, yeah, I didn't like CCL. CCL was in my list, but no, I got rejected the number that I have, 1845. But it was just chopping around, didn't really move. Moved about $1. Not bad, $1. So yeah, let's watch my trade. Let's look at plug. Yeah. Well, it's Friday. I'm gonna stop trading. I don't want to get FOMO. Then yeah, let's watch. See. Market is about to open. I'm gonna show you how much volume they have at the first minute. There you go, market open. This is about, I'm watching plug right now. Like it sells off. Imagine this is a gap up stock, right? It sells off right at the open, and then how much volume does it have? 500,000. And I really thought it's gonna be short. It was obvious that it's gonna short, but let's look before this candle closes. Let's look at NIO, the move that I really want to short. As you can see here, it has about 2.4 million. Crazy volume, right? But the thing is, stock was, oh yeah, it did. This is previous day close. Oh, I see. I could have took it long as previous day close, but yeah, I didn't look at it. It was too tight. I have a level here, high of day, 2.4 million, too far, about 50 cents. That's why I didn't really chase it. But I really wanted to short it at rejection of 1850. That's where I really want to short it. And let's look at plug. So plug is about 600,000, not much. CCL is about 1 million. So it's there. They all have volume, but they're like the gap up stocks were selling off, and the gap down stocks were squeezing. So I'm like, I don't know which one to trade. So I ended up trading plug, which I ended up being really lucky. See, I was trying to short it there, but the thing is, the stock was an SSR, so I changed my hotkey to my SSR hotkey, and then oh my god, I said, oh, I'm gonna get squeezed. Oh my god, like 1 more cent, right? I almost got stopped, but I'm so glad I did not get stopped. Like after this few moves, I thought I'm really gonna get stopped manually. I was thinking of manually stopping at 1206, but I said maybe if it makes a new high, which it did here, I was like, oh my god, it's really close. I was really close, and I said, oh, it's selling off. There's volume is kicking in. I really wanted to enter again, maybe add same size and then risk the same amount, but I can't really do it because it's a gap up stock and it's making this wicks, right? So it's tough. It was tough. I was looking for orders at 12. I can't really see anything that is a huge order at 12. Let's pause. Like, see, there's not much. So I don't really know what to do with this one, actually, to be honest. I said maybe I'm gonna have a red day. I'm kind of convincing myself now, if I got stopped, I'll settle down and not overtrade. But the thing is, it's gonna break. There you go. The volume, not the volume, the order came in, $12. It's gonna break. I should have entered short again for a 5-minute orb down. Yeah, there you go. 1297 is my average. A bit too far, but this is good for 5-minute orb. Yeah, and maybe take profit at 1180 area, but it was just too slow. It's not really moving at all. Let's fast forward this. So took profit just to ease myself because I've been waiting for 7 minutes. Took 10% partials just in case. And I said I'm gonna just stop myself out if it goes back to break even. See, I have my order there now. It was just tough. I thought it's gonna squeeze up. I thought it's gonna squeeze the shorts. I really felt that because there's not much. Now it's there. There you go. See that? There. That's the confirmation. Then that's good. After seeing that, I said, okay, I'm gonna hold a bit more shares. Maybe, I don't know, 1160 area or something. There you go, or 1150. The previous day closed. That's where I'm gonna hold my shares. I didn't even pull back. I was hoping to add maybe 1190, 1185. So there's volume here. That's kind of scary. Then it's still dumping. It was a weird day. Imagine Normally gap up stock continues, gap down stock continues. It's just today it was just not the move that we were hoping for. Yes, took some more off a previous day close. I said, okay, this is a nice move already. A 2-to-1 move, but I didn't really get the 2-to-1 because I was taking partial. Yeah, so I'm all out. Yeah, so that was my last share. And yeah, that's about it. I actually think I was actually thinking of was this taking a reversal here. Maybe it's gonna reverse. It's previous day close, but you know, I mean, I got a good profit. I'll just stop trading and then you know, watch the market. And after this, it just started selling off. I even like stopped. Where did I stop recording? Let's fast forward this. Like here, I think. Yeah, this is where I stopped recording. So yeah, let's Neo was great, as you can see from Neo. What's this? Yeah, let's pause this. Man, a bit frustrating, but you know, it happens sometimes. You just gotta take what the market gives you. Oh my god, Neo. I can't even see the candles. Crazy. This thick line is where I would want to short. Below this line. Normally it will, what will happen, I was thinking, is it's gonna sell off. It's gonna reject this, it's gonna sell off and holds VWAP area and it's gonna continue. That's the one, that's the move that I was hoping for. Like 1850 is where I would want to short it, below this 1850. I didn't take it because I was in Neo. I was in plug. So yeah, I even have thick lines in here that I said it's gonna go there. Oh my god, look at that. Let's look at the daily. I mean, it's about right. It's the same move, but ATR of this, I think it's only $1.50. So that's a pretty good move. So yeah, if you like my video, if you learned something, if you learned something, please let me know. At least I would want to know if my viewers are learning something out of this. If not, I'll probably just stop doing this video. You know, I'd share most of my videos just trading the open, and I've been very consistent just trading the open, trading the first 10, 20 or 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour of the open. I get really bored after 30 minutes. So yeah, I've been doing this for about a few years now, just focusing on trading the open, and then maybe if I get really successful, maybe I'll move on focusing in other styles. But yeah, you gotta do it slowly and no rush. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. If you have any questions, just comment down below. So if also you can share this to your Instagram or your social media accounts. If you can share my YouTube channel, I'll be happy. Just share them and let me know. If you share them, maybe we can, if you help me out, I can also help you out. We can do a 1-to-1 for free. Just help me spread the word. We don't really get this whole move all the time, but we always end up green every day. That's the only one we need. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a good day. Happy Friday. Cheers.